Hello guys, how's it going? It's March the 1st today, and I'm doing a very simple project today. But I thought I'd take you on a journey with me. But before we go to a simple project, I think I owe you another page of my girlfriend, don't I? I think I do. Alright, let's have a look at her, shall we? There you go, there she is, my beautiful lady over here. You've met her before, well, most of you anyway. If you didn't, shame on you. She sits next to the fire extinguisher because she's super hot. February is over and I'm gonna miss those beautiful blue eyes. So it's March the 1st today. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what's hiding behind February. You ready? Boom. Yeah. No, you don't disappoint, baby. You don't disappoint. Ah, beautiful Makani Terra. There you go, guys. There she is. This is what we have to cope with for the whole month of March 2018. Yeah, my girlfriend. Well, there you go. Sit here. Don't disturb me too much. Right, I need another moment alone over here, guys. But let's do some painting in between, shall we? Let's do that. Right, so now this is out of the way. Let's get to the project. The project is rather simple, but it can be tricky and very time consuming and requires a lot of patience. Basically, I need to restore an old school bicycle badge, a push bike badge from a really old-fashioned push bike that was made in London some many years ago. Not many of these bikes is around. The proud owner is restoring one or two bikes like this, and he asked me to start with a badge. We're gonna do some other kind of old school pinstriping, classy pinstriping on a bike to match it from that era. But first project is to restore the badge. So I'm gonna shut the fuck up and I'm gonna degrease that badge, clean it up completely, and we're gonna paint it to his specifications and his reference pictures. Enjoy some tunes, guys, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, that's it guys, that's it for today's episode. Hopefully it wasn't too boring, hopefully some of you are interested of what's happened today. But the main thing is, we've got my beautiful girlfriend on the wall over here for the whole month of March. And I think we look pretty good together, don't you? I think so. Well anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a bit, rock hard, and I'll see you very soon.